People are talking about myEcon, one of the most unique companies in America today. myEcon is a 20-year-old, debt-free, technology-driven company whose members have generated over $1 billion. myEcon markets financial education products that empower members to generate more cash flow and consumer products that save customers money. Our foundational product, the Financial Success Membership, includes income-shifting strategies and financial software, which empowers members to minimize taxes, eliminate debt, build great credit, and grow investment income.
You might be thinking, how can income shifting help me attain financial success? When you lower your taxes, eliminate your debt, improve your credit, or build your investments, you are literally shifting cash flow into your bank account. Cash flow that would have gone to the IRS, your creditors, other investors. Think of what thousands of dollars in additional cash flow could do for your budget. You could pay off debt quickly, build investments faster, or enhance your lifestyle. myEcon associates acquire extra cash flow using the financial strategies in the membership and referring the membership to other people.
Let's take a closer look at some of the financial strategies in the membership. The first strategy, correct tax withholding, empowers employees to increase their take-home pay from their job. According to the IRS, almost 100 million employees have too much money withheld from their paycheck for taxes. A quick 15-minute recalculation increases the employee's take-home pay and provides the employee with additional cash flow for investing, debt elimination, or lifestyle.
Our second strategy is build great credit. Our My Credit system provides each member with educational videos and support tools to build a great credit score. The system empowers members to remove negative credit history, to build new credit, and to maximize credit utilization and credit mix.
Our third strategy, Own a Piece of America, is based on investment education and leads to investment income and financial freedom. During our lifetime, we spend millions of dollars with big American companies. Shifting some of those dollars into buying stock in those companies instead of consumer goods simply makes sense. myEcon has many strategies that can increase members' cash flow by thousands of dollars annually.
In addition to financial strategies, myEcon offers many money-saving products and services. Our most popular product is our Zingo Travel Club, which saves members up to 70% off travel and provides a 110% best price guarantee. The savings extend to over 1 million hotels and resorts, thousands of vacation homes, 50 rental car companies, flights, cruises, attractions, and excursions all over the world. Another popular product is our Defender Plus service, which provides cutting-edge identity protection and super discounts on legal services. The legal service provides a 40% discount on the services of our national network of attorneys, plus 9 free services. The free services include simple wills, living wills, phone consultations, in-office consultations, thousands of personal and business legal forms, plus much more.
Members increase their personal cash flow using the strategies and earn business income referring the memberships to other people. myEcon's business income system is powerful and automated. The system is automated because videos and technology do the heavy lifting. Members send educational videos to prospective members or post them online. Prospective members watch the videos, new members sign up, and you get paid.
The system is also lucrative. Some associates earn extra income in their spare time, while others earn high six-figure incomes. Every time a new member enrolls, you earn upfront weekly income and monthly residual income. You earn up to $70 on personal enrollees, up to $10 on team enrollees, and up to $13 monthly residual income on active members. Imagine 25, 50, or even 100 new members enrolling on your team weekly. Top associates earn thousands of dollars in weekly commissions and monthly residual income.
myEcon members are teachers, pastors, coaches, retirees, and entrepreneurs. myEcon is for everyone. If you want to improve your personal finances using the strategies and earn business income referring the membership to others, our Financial Success Membership will be great for you. You will get access to all the financial strategies, including our My Credit system and our automated marketing system. The Financial Success Membership is just $39.95 to start and then $39.95 monthly starting 30 days later.
However, if you desire to improve your personal finances, maximize your business income, and enhance your lifestyle, then our Elite Business membership will be perfect for you. Elite Business members get everything in the Financial Success membership, including the My Credit system, the automated marketing system, plus unlimited access to our Zingo Travel Club and the Defender Plus service. Zingo Travel guarantees members the best travel, lifestyle, and shopping deals available. The Defender Plus provides world-class identity protection and super discounted legal services for you and your business. The Elite Business membership is just $99.95 to get started and then $59.95 monthly. Get started today and start making and saving money immediately.
Hi, my name is Bonnie. With this program, I was able to remove $67,000 in student loans, $100,000 in medical collections, and 31 negative items from my personal credit report, totaling over $200,000.
Since being part of myEcon, I've been able to cash flow 6 figures part-time without stopping my current job. I've also been able to increase my credit score from a 520 to an 804 in less than a year. I've been able to eliminate over $190,000 of debt to this day, and I've been able to give myself a $400 a month pay raise on my job without asking the boss, utilizing the W-4 strategy.
By sharing this opportunity, it has allowed me to become a 6-figure earner before the age of 40. I was also able to raise my credit score from a 400 to a 700 by using the DIY credit program. That allowed me to remove over $50,000 of my own personal debt, where it allowed me to get approved for my first home. It also allowed me to get approved for my mom's condo, and I purchased my first dream car.
I've cash flowed over $500,000 from the comfort of my home. I enjoy a 100% debt-free lifestyle. I get to travel the world first class at a discount. I've also been able to increase my credit score to over 830.
We've also cash flowed over $1.2 million. We got a credit score of 800, and we have an investment portfolio of $348,000.
Since joining myEcon, we've both been able to enter the 800 credit club, and as a result, we were able to purchase our home at a great deal, and we're doing the remodels all cash. As a result, we were also able to cash flow over $340,000, leave our corporate jobs, and create a full-time income from home. We also became investors for the very first time, and we're looking forward to helping so many other 9-to-5 employees get on track to doing the same thing or better.